Welcome to BISP Solutions. I'm Priyanka and today I'm going to tell you data form validation in FCCs. Data form is a predefined form in the application in the form of a grid, that is rows and columns, for entering data in the application. It is a convenient tool when we have to provide certain rules, formulas, or validation with respect to the data entered. Now, a data form validation refers to the process of ensuring the accuracy of data entered. It allows you to check the data entered and enable you to not save the data if it breaks any validation rule, thereby removing any discrepancies and helping decision making. Validation rules can be added to the entire grid or particular column or particular row or maybe cell individually. And when this validation rule is processed, the cell color changes, and also if you've provided some message, it gets highlighted, and then you can check whether your data is entered correctly or not. These are the steps. We have to open the form which is already created. We have to go to the layout, and then there we have to select validation rule option, and we have to build that rule, and then we have the data for the validation. Finally, we have to save the form. Now let's go to the application and do the validation. In the application, click on navigator, go to forms. Here you have to for creating a form, you have to click on this icon. Since I have already created a form, profit margin forecast, I will show you that, and we will validate this form. Go to layout. I have already defined the POVs. I have taken the accounts which is required, and since I'm doing for the first quarter of the year, I have I have already selected all the 3 months. You can see January, February, March. Now to validate this, and I will show you the preview of this form. See, the figures have been entered. For January, the sale is 3,50,000 and labor cost is 1,70,000. This way we are getting gross profit of 1,80,000 and our profit margin is 51%. What we are forecasting that our profit for the first quarter should not get below to 50%, and hence accordingly we have forecasted the sales and our cost of sales figure. So for this we will put a validation rule in the form. Go to validation rule, click on this icon, you have to select the location. Either on, if you're putting the formula on the whole, putting the validation rule on the entire rows and columns, you will select the grid. Otherwise, on whichever row or column you're selecting, you're putting the validation, select that. We have to give some name. Now we will put the validation rule. The condition is if current cell value is less than 1,70,000, then process cell I've chosen one color for this, and the validation is messages. Uh, I'm actually checking the labor cost is increasing or not for that particular month. So if it is less than 1,70,000, I'm putting the message that labor cost is in the limits. Click on OK. Else if it is more than 1,70,000, then we will change the color, warning signal sort of, and we will write, you have to give the validation message according to the validation rule. Labor cost exceeding the limit. Okay, then we will validate. The rule has no errors. Click OK to close the dialog box. So there is no error in our rule. We'll click OK here and OK over here. We will save this. The form has been saved. Let's see the preview. You can see here our labor cost here is equal to 1,70,000, and here it is less than 1,68,000, giving gross profit margin as 52%. And we are forecasting for a profit margin to be 52% or more. So in the month of January and March, we are getting profit less than 52%, 51%, and 49%. So, and accordingly, we have set the validation here. So you can see when you put your cursor over here, it gives the message that the labor cost is exceeding the limit. Similarly, in the month of January also, labor cost is exceeding the limit, and in February labor cost is in limit. So this is how we do data form validation. For any query, you may contact our website bispsolutions.com. Thank you.